This is how you're going to offset a carousel with half slider in WordPress Elementor. So first, you're going to head over to your Elementor website editor, and then from here, you're just going to head over to this left side panel, and then you're going to select a carousel that you want to put in. So for example, I'm just going to select this loop carousel, which already has a built-in offset option. So what you're going to do is you can just create a template right here. Just going to make sure that we already have a template, and then we're just going to hit on save right here. And then here, I'm going to start creating my template. So to get started with creating a template, we're just going to head back to our WordPress dashboard. And then from here, we're going to look at this left side panel and then select templates from there. Now from here, you're going to click on add new template at the top of the page. And then we're going to select a loop item as a template. We're going to choose the source type. We can do post, products, post taxonomy, or product taxonomy, depending on what you want. I'm just going to choose products for this one, and then we can also name this loop. However, this is optional. I'm going to create a template from this, and then once you have your template, we're just going to select any of these loop options right here. So for example, I want to put on this one. This fits my style more. I'm going to hit on insert button right there, and then it will be inserted into our Elementor website editor, and then you can see it right here. Now, in order for us to make this into a loop, now that I have a loop right here, I have just created this by editing a template and then just adding this featured image element right there. Now we're going to head over back to the home page of this website. So I'm just going to head back here, and I'm just going to remove this one first. And then from here, I'm just going to head over to this left side panel, and then you're going to drag over a loop carousel once again. Now, once you have the loop carousel right here, since we already have made a template, I'm just going to choose a template type. I'm going to change it to products because this is the one that we made, and then I'm going to start typing its name that we created earlier. So for this one, since I didn't do any names, I'm just going to select Elementor loop item number 104 because this is the one I created. Now from here, you're just going to click on the settings right here. And then as you can see, I already have this built-in offset sides option. You're just going to make sure that you choose one, so you can do both. You can do left side, or you can also do right side. Now you're just going to have to adjust the offset width. And if you have created a proper template, then you'll be able to see it right here. And that's it. That is how you're going to offset carousels with half slider. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.